Hello the internet. This is a quick review of the Meross Wi-Fi smart light. It's a fairly big E27 bulb. Comes with an app, comes with Wi-Fi, but more importantly you can do stuff like this. Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lamp red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lamp to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lamp green.
Okay.
Okay. Alexa, turn the lamp blue.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the lamp crimson.
Okay.
Yes, the Alexa control is slightly iffy. Let me show you how the app works. So it's a sort of fairly standard smart home app. You can turn things on and off like that. If I go in here, I can set the white mode. Now the color control is slightly, there we go, slightly tricky. You sort of have to move your thumb up to change the brightness, and you can sort of see it goes down in steps. It's not very smooth, and similarly, if you move your thumb across, the color temperature of the bulb will change. Again, not brilliantly smooth, but it's pretty good. And if I go to RGB, I can hopefully do the same. So you see what I mean? You sort of have to move it around a bit. But yeah, you can set the brightness up and down. Let's set that brightness low enough so you can see what's going on screen. And the color range is pretty good. I mean, it says 16 million colors, but you can sort of see it just jumps around a bit, so it's a bit jerky. The app also sort of lets you set scenes and things and routines, so you can say turn on and off at a certain time. You can also routines, scenes, and you can set the bulb to do certain things at certain times. Now you see there, you've actually got a slightly better sort of brightness control. Slightly strange. Alexa, turn off the light bulb. Which light bulb am I turning it to?
Sorry, I didn't find a device named Light.
Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Okay.
So when you take a look in the Amazon Echo skill, what you should be able to see is, if I show you here, somewhere in here I have something called lamp, I should imagine. Yeah, there we go. No, that's a different lamp. It's the problem with all these different smart home things. There we go. So there are different colours that you can set it to. So you're meant to be able to set these things here. But Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Okay.
Okay. You see the brightness set to 1%. This is the Alexa app. You can set things on as well. So you should be able to say, Alexa, set the lamp brightness to 100%.
Okay.
Oh, that worked. Alexa, set the lamp brightness to 5%.
Okay.
Okay. What have we got here colour-wise? Alexa, set the lamp colour to orange.
Okay.
Alexa, set the lamp to crimson.
Okay.
So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Who knows whether that's Alexa or the Meross. But anyway, this bulb it's pretty good. It's about £25. It runs very cool, actually. Let me just take that out there. So it's about half the price of the LifeX, which is what I usually use. One thing you'll notice, so this is the LifeX color changing bulb, it does stick up a fair bit more, so you might find it slightly harder to fit into tighter nooks and crannies. But overall, for £25 or so from Amazon, I reckon that's pretty good. There's a full review on my blog, and check the links for any discount codes. Bye!